This square cell is constructed from 100 layers of cardboard. To escape, the players must dig their way through the front wall. The first person to touch the button wins 10,000 US dollars. Initially, every player is given a small pair of scissors. The cardboard is so thick and tough that the small scissors prove almost useless. Tearing it by hand is much faster. Then, the host offers a hint. Find the colored cardboard to upgrade your scissors. Trent is the first to find the green cardboard and exchanges his tool for a larger pair of scissors. They continue digging with their new tools. Trent then finds the yellow cardboard and upgrades his scissors a second time. His new tool becomes even more effective. Curly also finds the yellow cardboard and upgrades his scissors. Eric tries to trick the others by stuffing his yellow t-shirt into the cardboard, but the host immediately sees through his ruse. Next, Kelvin finds the yellow cardboard and upgrades his scissors as well. Trent notices that the inner layers of cardboard are becoming increasingly tough. He first punches a hole with the scissors and then tears the material apart with his hands. The competition grows more thrilling by the minute. Finally, Eric finds the yellow cardboard and upgrades his scissors, racing to catch up with the other players. Just then, the host brings out a spinning wheel featuring special prizes. Trent lands on a prize that allows him to halt another player for 5 minutes. He chooses his biggest rival, Curly. Curly is forced to stop digging for 5 minutes, allowing Trent to temporarily take the lead. Now, it is Curly's turn. He gets the chance to shackle himself to a player of his choice for 5 minutes and unhesitatingly picks Trent. Once shackled, Trent can only use scissors to punch holes in the cardboard. A fierce contest ensues between the two. Curly is the first to find the orange cardboard and upgrades his scissors, making the digging process even easier. As soon as his 5-minute penalty ends, Trent is completely free again and resumes digging. Eric then spins the wheel and gains a secret helper, who begins digging through the wall rapidly on his behalf. Shortly after, Eric finds an orange piece of cardboard, upgrading his shears to match Trent's level. A little later, Kelvin also upgrades his digging tools. The competition intensifies, and any player could take the lead at any moment. Next, Kelvin spins the wheel, triggering a 5-minute blackout. Visibility drops to 0 for everyone. Only he continues digging, guided by the light of his headlamp, while Eric and Curly lie down to rest. Trent, however, keeps digging steadily even in the dark. When the lights return, everyone resumes digging. Trent accidentally discovers pieces of red cardboard, and the host awards him the massive shears. He begins digging with all his might, putting increased pressure on the other players. Soon, Eric and Curly also acquire the giant shears and start striking the cardboard forcefully with them. Every player gives their all in the bid to win the prize money. Trent is the first to break through the final layer of cardboard.